So basically, the tasting is free.
Exactly. इसका प्राइस है 12,500.
Ooh.
It is minty jamun
अरे वाह.
and the mango minty.
Hello, hi, what's up? Welcome to City का ठेका. Welcome to another video. मैं किसी की हाल चाल. तो गुड़गांव के जो वाइन स्टोर्स हैं ये पूरी इंडिया में सब जानते हैं कि यार ये सिर्फ वाइन स्टोर्स नहीं होते, ठेके नहीं होते. They are like a showroom. बट अगर आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि इस तरह के वाइन स्टोर्स सिर्फ गुड़गांव में होते हैं, सो अब इन वाइन स्टोर्स को टक्कर देने के लिए एक वाइन स्टोर खुल चुका है इन मुंबई. हाँ जी, इस वक्त मैं उसी वाइन स्टोर के अंदर हूं. नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड मैंशन एंड द मोमेंट यू एंटर दिस वाइन स्टोर द ओनली वर्ड दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड इज वाओ. एक चीज जो मुझे बहुत ही यूनिक लगी यहाँ की वो ये है कि आप यहाँ आके अपनी फेवरेट ड्रिंक खरीदने से पहले उसको टेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. अब क्या है ये सब, क्या है यहाँ की प्राइसिंग, सब कुछ आपको दिखाता हूँ. विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Okay, so Mansion say we have Peter with us. Hi Peter, how are you?
Hi Adi, how are you? I'm doing great.
मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में कहा था, I always used to think best wine stores in India are in Gurgaon, Haryana. पर यहाँ आके I have my doubts.
Exactly, after seeing this place.
Indeed, and there is something very unique I saw.
Yes.
Which is the tasting bar right behind you.
Exactly, we have the tasting bar over here where the consumer can come. वो आए यहाँ पे बैठे, we have cocktails, we have drinks for them
Okay.
at a very reasonable price.
पर मतलब what is the concept? Tasting bar में होता क्या है?
The concept here is try before you buy. For example, if I'm here as a guest,
हाँ.
मुझे नहीं पता कि was there in the bottle.
हाँ.
So I will take 3 brands which I want to taste.
Okay.
Let it be any range.
Okay.
Premium bottles.
हाँ हाँ.
We have the categories here. People will choose this from.
Okay.
ये हमारे पैकेजेस हैं.
Okay.
1000, 2000, 3000.
हाँ.
For example, मैं यहाँ से 2000 के रेंज में 3 ब्रांड सेलेक्ट करूंगा.
ठीक है.
वो 3 ब्रांड को मैं टेस्ट करूंगा
हाँ.
और मैं वो 2000 रुपीज बार में पे कर दूंगा. उसके बाद that 2000 रुपीज I can redeem
हाँ.
buying any wines or spirits or
Okay.
the same which I tasted at the bar.
So basically, the tasting is free.
Exactly. For the consumer, the tasting is free.
That's wonderful. So
It
yes,
is.
that's the tasting bar जहाँ पे आप खरीदने से पहले अपनी ड्रिंक को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं और फिर खरीद सकते हैं.
Exactly. Plus, आपको कॉकटेल चाहिए. We have the bartender to make fresh cocktails.
Okay,
for
this
you
was
as
my
well.
next question. अगर मान लो मुझे कुछ खरीदना नहीं है, मुझे सिर्फ अपनी कोई एक ड्रिंक एंजॉय करनी है. Can I come considering this as just a bar?
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. मैं आपको ये चीज दिखाता हूँ.
हाँ.
We have the full-fledged menu here. Let it be a single malt, vodka,
Okay,
rum,
okay.
gin. You get it over here. You can come with your friends, small gathering,
Uh-huh.
sit at the bar, come sip, do the tasting.
So for the first time ऐसा होगा कि after the shoot I will be sitting in a wine store and having my drink.
That will be our pleasure. Fantastic.
Wonderful.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. So this is about the tasting bar. And let's get inside और देखते हैं क्या क्या brands यहाँ पे available हैं and what are the prices. ठीक है जी,
Exactly.
let's take a walk around.
Certainly. Okay.
All right. Okay, सबसे पहले we have संजू बाबा वाला brand.
The Glenwalk.
Yeah.
Smooth, elegant, rich in flavors.
Okay.
And the spices you get in that, it's fantastic. और अगर आपको घर पे cocktail बना के पीना हो,
Uh-huh.
this is the go-to whiskey to have this.
And what are the prices?
So this is for 15.99 only.
In Maharashtra.
Exactly. A Scotch whiskey.
Okay.
जिनको 3 साल चाहिए to be called a Scotch whiskey.
हाँ.
Getting at this price in Maharashtra, Mumbai. This is the brand.
Okay, संजू बाबा को पता है ना लोगों को क्या चाहिए.
Exactly.
So he knows it.
What
He
the
knows it
consumer
all.
wants.
Right,
Exactly.
right. Okay, so हमने अभी एक Scotch whiskey देखी संजू बाबा की, but अगर Scotch whiskey की बात हो and we don't talk about Johnny Walker,
Johnny Walker, yes.
not possible.
So we have the variants in that. Have the double black.
Okay.
मेरे पास Johnny Walker 18 blended, gold label, blonde,
हाँ.
red label.
हाँ.
I have everything.
Okay, red label कितने की?
2,250.
All right.
Yes.
So Johnny Walker की सारी variety है. Let it be red label, black label, double black, gold label, blonde, everything. How is blonde doing?
It's fantastic.
कितने की दे रहे हो?
So the blonde is for 2,930 only. Okay, Adi, as you can see, we have wide range of whiskeys over here. We have
Yes.
bourbon, we have Scotch, we have malts. Let it be imported, let it be Indian. We have covered everything. हमारे
हाँ.
पास सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको.
हाँ.
आपको single malt चाहिए. We have high range,
Okay.
low range, everything.
Indian single malts.
Indian single malts, we have it over here.
Okay.
We have Indri, we have Rampur, we have Godawan.
कितने की इंद्री?
Indri is for 5,400.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Next we have Rampur. इसका प्राइस है 12,500.
Ooh.
It is.
All right. So that's Rampur. But there are
Yeah.
regular brands also.
Yes, we have Teachers, we have Rockford Reserve.
All right, fantastic. And if we talk about these regular brands, ये किस रेंज में मिल जाते हैं?
Around 1500, 2000 यही रेंज के आसपास सारे ब्रांड्स हैं.
Oh, fantastic. All right, let's go ahead.
Adi, I will show you something very unique.
Okay.
Smirnoff have launched this cool variants,
Oi.
the minty jamun
अरे वाह,
and the mango mirchi.
these are looking so beautiful.
In hipsters, just keep it in the pocket.
हाँ,
Go.
और ये कितने के?
405.
405 रुपए
405
each.
रुपए की है.
Okay, that's amazing यार. ये तो मैं पक्का लेके जाने वाला हूँ. By the way, if you are traveling by air to a different state, you can carry up to 5 liters of alcohol, but in your check-in luggage. जैसे अब मैं जब दिल्ली जाऊँगा तो मैं यहाँ से इस तरह के काफ़ी miniatures लेके जाऊँगा. Okay, so now we are at the wine section.
Yes, I have this beautiful wine cellar
Oh, beautiful.
where we store all the wines at proper temperature
Uh-huh.
at an angle
Okay.
where it stays for a very long time.
All
We
right.
have wines from France, Italy, Spain, across the globe.
Okay.
High-end wines which need proper storage.
Uh-huh.
We have this place for that. We have this place.
Okay.
So this wine that I have in my hand,
Mhm.
Amaris,
Mm-hmm.
from Italy,
Uh-huh.
price only 2249.
Oh, okay.
इसके अलावा अभी हमारे पास इसके इंडियन वर्जन्स, इंपोर्टेड वर्जन्स दोनों, जैसे जर्मनी से पिनो नोयर,
Okay.
पिनो ग्रिजियो फ्रॉम इटली,
Uh-huh.
रीजलिंग फ्रॉम जर्मनी एज वेल.
Okay, मुझे एक बात आइए, सबसे सस्ती वाइन कितने की मिल जाएगी?
एनी
मतलब प्राइस स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम
200, 300. From that price,
Uh-huh.
we have wines for 5 lakhs worth as well over here. Okay, Adi, let me show you. We have the white spirit range over here, vodka, rum, gin,
Okay.
tequilas,
Mhm.
everything. We have some fantastic tequilas. So we have flavors in tequila. We have El Padrino, which is 100% blue agave,
Okay, how much is it for?
mix of 7,000, 8,000.
Okay. Okay, Peter, thank you so much for sharing this beautiful wine store के prices and it's amazing. It's beautiful. Okay, एक बार आप सबको एड्रेस भी बता दो.
Okay, so we are right at Santa Cruz West, Linking Road, Vatsala Nivas.
Uh-huh.
So walk in to get great in-house offers on imported spirits,
Okay.
imported wines, and even get accessories as well, like goodies, bag. We have bar kits too, which
Okay.
you can definitely take it from us.
And the best part is that you can come and taste your drink.
And you'll get the cocktails too, with the
Oh.
food, alcohol, everything right at Bandra.
One-stop solution, everything under one roof.
Exactly.
And this is called Mansion. That is Peter with us. Thank you so much, Peter.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Jatan.
sir.
Okay, so this is the wine store called The Mansion and trust me, this is amazing. अब कोई भी नहीं कह सकता कि गुड़गांव के जो wine stores हैं वो best है because there is a competition in Mumbai and the best part is the bar behind me जहाँ पे you can come and taste your drink before buying it. So अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक का बटन जरूर दबा देना and अगर चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया what are you waiting for? Just press the subscribe का बटन and also press the bell icon. बाकी आपको एक चीज जैसा मैं हमेशा कहता हूं प्लीज ड्रिंक टेस्टफुली प्लीज एंजॉय रिस्पॉन्सिबली नेवर 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 ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव आई विल कैच यू इन अनदर वीडियो तब तक के लिए टेक केयर गॉड ब्लेस आदि कह रहा है ओके बाय